Hello, I'm back with our next kit. Remember, every kit has one book and 2 activities. This kit is for the younger set, ages kindergarten through 3rd grade, thereabouts, and it is called Gadgets, Gizmos, and Gears. So first, the book. The book is called Izzy Gizmo. And as you can guess, it's about a girl who is really has a lot of fun making gizmos and gadgets and all kinds of things. So start out with the book, and then, like we said before, there are 2 activities. And so the first activity is going to come in this bag. There are lots of pieces and parts in this one, but this one I've been having a lot of fun. This is a Qboidz kit. And these gadgets, gizmos, and gears activities, their goal is to help kids learn how to put things together and develop some engineering type skills, following diagrams, that kind of thing. And this one is just super awesome for that. This is kind of like Legos, but even more so. Instead of all of the pieces just being kind of a standard connection, these have all kinds of different ways. Now let me show you on the back. This is what the different pieces and parts look like. And I want you to remember to look at the back because it really outlines for you everything that's in there. So when it's time to bring it back, you can just compare it to the back. Also, I found that when I was getting ready to build with these, that I went ahead and kind of sorted them out the way they do here into colors and sizes and different shapes. It was easier to follow the directions for this, or for making the things. Now, this particular booklet has 2 different patterns for making some creations. And then we also are going to have some extras in the bag, so remember to bring back all of the different directions so people can see. And on the back here also, if for whatever reason you would like it to look at it in a different way, you can find those directions at this website, www.ingeno.com. It's on there. You may not be able to see it now, but you can, if you get it, you can look at it. But you can also just follow the QR code and it'll take you right there to the different sets of directions for different kinds of creations. So I have been busy working this morning on one of the 2 creations in here, and this, oh wait a minute, I got ahead of myself. You caught me. This is how far I am so far. My creation looks like the one on the cover, this so far. And then, like I said, you can follow the directions inside. So it will tell you which of your pieces you need. And so I have these sitting right here. Here's 2 of those and 2 of those. And then it will show you, whoa, what you're supposed to do with those pieces. So I'm going to take that purple piece and put it in the round green, the kind of lime green thing. So I'm going to stick that in there. Okay, I'm going to do the other one. Okay, and then it will show you exactly where to put it on your creation, and I've done a lot of work already so far, you can see, and what it should look like in the end. So I'll bring my fella over here, and can you tell what part of the body this is going to be on this creature? Click. And then over here, sometimes you got to push and click. Well, there you go. If you said his eyes, you're right. Isn't he fun? And he's actually not all the way finished. But you can have fun doing it on your own and seeing how well it all comes together. You really have to look very closely. I will let you know the one tricky part, these blue pieces, they have these little pegs that come off the side. Some of them have 1, some of them have 2, some of them have 3, and some of them have 4. So you have to really pay attention to those. And in this booklet, the yellow pieces, these ones, it looks a little bit green in the diagram, sort of like a light green or a lime green. So when you see these pieces and it looks a little bit greenish, there are no green pieces like this, so it's yellow. Okay, So have fun with that. And of course, you can follow the directions for the Qboidz for these creatures or the other ones that we'll have available, but you can also just build and be creative and create something of your own. Okay, that's activity number 1. Activity number 2 may look familiar to a lot of people. It is gears. This is a gears building set. And if you can see, this one you'll have to really pay attention. How many pieces? 100. Okay, so you're going to have to really pay attention when you're counting, when you bring them back, that there will be 100 pieces. And so let me just kind of show you some of the basics. The basic part is a platform that you put down on the table or wherever you're working on. And there are then some kind of stem things. And then there are some gear hubs that go in the stems. And then, of course, those gears just go onto the spoke, or I'm sorry, onto the hub there. So you can put it on there. And then there comes a handle, and the handle just goes fits right into one of the gears like that. So this is really fun because there are lots of different colors of gears. And you can see right here, I did the stem and then the hub and the stem and the hub. And then I put the gears, I kind of put the teeth all together on there. And that just fits like this. I'll do another one over here. So we have the stem can go on top of the one below it. And then the hub can go on top of the stem there. And I'm going to go to the front here and I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm going to take the handle and put it in any one. It doesn't really matter. And when I turn it, ta-da! The gears all connect together and turn. All right, so and this one does come with a guide, but the guide really just explains what I just said about how all the different things work. There's not really an outline or any like specific things that they give you directions for. So this one, you just kind of be creative and add on and see how you can make those gears go. So remember, in our kit we have one book, Izzy Gizmo, and we have the Qboidz, and this is the direction booklet, so make sure that when you are bringing back, that you bring it back in the bag with all the other pieces and parts. There's a lot there. And then last but not least, the gears with 100 pieces. Okay, and enjoy learning and learning with your hands, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye.